What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I hope your mom and them are doing well. This is Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you the best tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. All right, what are we talking about today? Everything you need to know about Disney's Animal Kingdom. Now, Disney's Animal Kingdom is a zoological theme park full of thrills, delicious food, and of course, animals. This is everything you need to know for a complete Animal Kingdom at Disney World planning overview. Hey, you guys do me this, do me a solid. Go hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, Animal Kingdom is the fourth theme park to be built in Disney World. The park opened in 1998 and is the largest of the theme parks due to the land they need for all the animals. It totals a whopping 500 acres. Wow. It's basically the combination of a theme park and a zoo. Guests can enjoy rides and learn about all sorts of animals that call Animal Kingdom home. The attractions at the Animal Kingdom theme park are separated into 6 main themed areas. Let's start with the Oasis at the front of the park. Here are the turnstiles, guest services, and rentals. Also next to this area is the Rainforest Cafe, which can be accessed in and out of the park. Animal Kingdom is the only park only accessible by ground transportation, which makes sense because, you know, animals. Once you enter the park, you will see Animal Kingdom's large icon of the park, the Tree of Life. Technically, the Tree of Life is on Discovery Island, but it is rather large and can't be missed when you walk in. Now, here's a little trivia. I want to ask you a question. How many leaves are on the Tree of Life? 3, 2, 1. There are over 102,000 leaves on the Tree of Life, and get this, they had to be hand placed on 8,000 branches. Wow. All right. Down the walkway are shops and some places to grab a quick snack or coffee. Take your time admiring the tree as it has numerous animals carved into its trunk. You can see babirusa, spoonbills, and anteaters as you pass through. Next, head forward to Discovery Island. Here, you can become a wilderness explorer and see otters, tamarins, and lemurs. For an indoor show, there is It's Tough to Be a Bug, based on Pixar's Little Insect Friends. There are several areas to eat, including Pete Safari, the Smiling Crocodile, and Creature Comforts. At night, the tree has a colorful projection show called the Tree of Life Awakenings, which you shouldn't miss. Heading towards your left is Pandora, the world of Avatar, based off of the James Cameron film series. This innovative area has photogenic floating mountains, alien plants, and decor created by the Na'vi people. Pandora does get busy pretty quickly because of the Avatar Flight of Passage ride, so you definitely want to prioritize it. You can also enjoy the indoor boat ride Na'vi River Journey. It's beautiful. You're gonna love it. Creative food is served in Pandora to resemble another world, and you may be able to pick up a shoulder banshee of your own in the shops. This area is themed to be a fictional village of Harambe. Here you can learn about conservation with Rafiki, see gorillas, and watch the popular show Festival of the Lion King. Make sure you embark on the flagship ride, Kilimanjaro Safari, and see for yourself some elephants, lions, giraffes, hippos, and other various animals. You can grab a quick meal at the many kiosks, or you can have a sit-down meal at Tusker House and meet Donald Duck and friends. All right, let's continue into the Asia-themed area, decorated to be a fictional kingdom named Anandapur. It takes influences from India, Nepal, and nearby Southern Asian countries. While exploring this area, it isn't hard to miss the tall mountain and its roller coaster within, Expedition Everest. You can get soaked on the Kali River Rapids and see an edutainment show about our avian friends called Up, the Great Bird Adventure. And don't forget to check out the Maharaj Jungle Trek, where you can come face to face with tigers, bats, gibbons, and macaques. You can also grab ice cream and drinks in the nearby kiosks, or grab a table at the Yak and Yeti for a meal. Our last area is Dinoland USA. It's themed to a small town that had fossils discovered in it, leading to a dinosaur-themed amusement park and research area. Enjoy the Fossil Fun Carnival games to win prizes. You can ride Triceratops Spin and the Indoor Dinosaur Ride, which can be a little intense for younger guests. If you're wanting something a bit more kid-friendly, attractions at Disney's Animal Kingdom for toddlers are spread out, and one is the Boneyard Play Area. The Boneyard Play Area allows the kiddos to explore and dig up fossils of their own. Afterwards, the whole family can grab burgers at Restaurantosaurus. For entertainment, at scheduled times, there is Disney's Kite Tales over the lagoon, and soon a new cast of the Finding Nemo musical will be returning to the nearby indoor theater. My favorite show. Crowd levels fluctuate slightly throughout the year. Typically spring, summer, and the holidays are the busiest times. We recommend planning your trip around fall before the holiday season comes in. This way, the crowd levels won't be too bad and you can really enjoy your trip. Also, the animals are a little bit more active when the temperatures are a little lower. You can enjoy the whole day at Animal Kingdom, and lucky for you, we offer discount Animal Kingdom tickets. You can get in on this by visiting OrlandoVacation.com or speaking with one of our vacation specialists at 1-800-641-4008. For more information on Animal Kingdom, we've included a link in the description that will take you to our guide for the park. Go check it out. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.